Okay, so we start now. Exactly, it is 8 p.m. So, guys, did you get a chance to go through the case study? Before that, I hope you all received the case study. Did you receive, all of you? If anyone did not receive, can you drop me a message? Yes or no? Okay, Akshay received it. What about others? You can just say yes or no, please. Okay, Mini received.
Yes, sir.
Questions, accept question. Okay, so almost everybody received this. Okay, good. So yes, so I will go one by one. Okay, so either you can put your questions when we are discussing, or you can I will call one by one. You can uh, tell about your queries. Okay, so Akshay, you can start. What questions you have? Akshay, you can tell verbally. As long as we have less people, we can talk. That is better. Unless you have any issue to speak. Okay, so if you are nice, then that's fine. So Akshay, you are asking template. Does it mean that which role you have been to? React.js. Okay. So for UI development, which template you are expecting? You mean UX design? Okay, so EX designs probably you can just come up with forms, just normal form. Okay, so you don't have to worry about more on the how good or how user friendly it should look like, because that is the job of the UX designer and the product owner who needs to decide it. But for a UI designer, I mean UI developer, you focus on that. You know the proper libraries, you know the code to design it, and specifically focus on functional and logical integration with the APIs, where you can do the interaction. You should be able to do the CRUD operations using your APIs, or you can use mock API. Okay, like that. So employment agreement, how it look like, you can just take a picture, any sample picture from the net. Because if we give all specification, then you won't learn how to explore it, because right now you are not developing the exact application. We want to see what innovative ideas you are bringing into the table. So it is up to the you. You can bring up anything as per your choice. Okay, so Akshay, any other question? You are clear? Okay, great. Then who else has question? I will go by name. I will call and let's discuss. So, Mini, do you have any queries related to the case study?
No, sir, not like that.
What is the case study you got?
I got in AI.
For AI. Okay. So,
Yeah,
have you gone through that? Did you get a chance to go
yeah,
through? Or
but I didn't read. No, no, no. I saw. I'm sorry. Flutter and Android development. Sorry, sir.
okay, okay. Sure. So, you can go through and feel free to ask me. offline also. You can send me on message if you have any doubt.
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
All right. So I will go to the other guys also to ask the question, but let me tell you what is that evaluation we do and how we do it, right? So the case study which is assigned to you, we are going to understand that you are going through the text in detail. You are raising question and clarifying your doubts. So basically, your analytical skill will be evaluated there. How deep you are going on the requirement to understand the system, right? So once you understand the system, then only you can provide a good solution. Until you have a very good understanding on the requirement, you can't give a solution. Now, once you understand it, then comes how you are designing it. What is your thought process on design and architecture, right? So whatever you can do, try to do it. Put some diagrams and designs, pictures, and all. Okay. Even you can use some tools like Draw.io or Visual Studio and all, or else you can draw it in the paper also and attach the picture that what is in your mind for the design, how it look like. Okay. Once that is done, if you are coding, then do the coding for it and try to include all best framework libraries and logical code and all that you should be able to demonstrate when you are giving the presentation for your case study solution approach. And also when you are deciding something related to the solution, just think what are the different ways it can be done and what is the best way to do. Okay. Once you do it, then the solution demo you need to show how it look like and practice it well before you come for the review and demonstrate it well. So we'll be asking questions from all different angles to understand that you are really on ground, doer. Means you can, if any work is assigned to you, you can do it or not. That is the test we do. We don't do the traditionally what 99% people do it through interview. They will ask you some question and answer and they evaluate, or they will ask you to write a test and they will try to evaluate, but that is not the way we do. Okay, so this kind of interview process probably you won't see anywhere as of now. So we evaluate entirely how you do practically, how you perform practically. Okay, so that is what we believe in. And if you are able to do it well, then you have an opportunity. If you have already completed your graduation, you may get a job opportunity directly. If no, then whatever gaps you have, you yourself will come to know when you are demonstrating the case study or whether you are able to do it or not. Because if you can't do this, that means you are certifying that you are not ready for job yet. Okay, means you have to learn those things. And how do you learn it? Either through intensive or through training. Through intensive, how you will learn is if you can do it by taking guidelines which we give, and you do self learning and self exploration and then practice it. If no, then you have to take up training. Okay, so that's how it is. Any question on this in this process of evaluation or this case study specific to what I explained? If anybody has any question, you tell me, or else I will go over the as per head.
Sir, I had a question.
Yes, Siddharth.
So, is this the only round of evaluation for the internship, or is will there be any further rounds after this also, after the case study round?
After case study round, there will be a quick technical kind of okay. But if you clear this case study, you can think 80% is done.
Okay, sir.
Remaining will be hardly 10 to 20%.
Okay.
Okay, so let me come back to the order. And next was Mohit.
Yes, sir.
How is going for the case study?
It's going fine. Currently exploring what needs to be done. What is the deadline for to submit this?
You get around
Yeah,
5 days of time.
5 days using.
5 days of time. So you have good amount of time, and you get that time to do all kinds of activities. You search anywhere, use chat gpt, use online resources, all content, take help from anybody else. At the end, it shows that you can learn it faster and you can deliver or not. We are not expecting you should know already and everything you should remember. No, that age is gone. Now it is all about how you can utilize the existing resources available in the net.
Okay,
By
okay.
using the
Uh,
existing resources, you should be able to solve the problem.
okay, I understand.
That's all about.
Okay, okay. Basically, I adopted for the DevOps intern, so I will be not be judged on basis of the. Yes, I will be deploying a Node.js application, so not basis of that, right? So only the
Any
how.
sample application you can take. So a sample Node.js microservice or Spring Boot microservice or one web application.
Okay, okay,
I mean,
okay.
what the application content does not matter. You should be able to just deploy it, bring it up, and on the
Yeah,
way,
yeah.
whatever CI/CD processes are there, whatever different tools are there, what is the infrastructure you would prefer, those things, those concepts bring into the picture.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Rakshit,
Sir, no doubt, sir.
you are all good.
Sir.
Okay, perfect. Ramya,
No doubt, sir.
okay, nice. Uh, Sicharth, is it? Yeah. Okay. So if you are good, then I'm fine. So let's meet again, and I will give you some slots in the day or in the evening sometimes when I'll be available to help you out. Okay. Other than that, if you have any specific question or you need help, means you just ping me, and I will try to respond you back. Okay. So I think just now Raj has joined. Yuvraj, we are almost done. If you have any question, you can ask me. Uh, I think someone had raised a hand. You have any question, Mohit?
Yes, sir. Can we take also help like in progress of the project if I need to ask? Okay, sir.
So that
Thank you.
shows your collaborative skill, how you collaborate with people, and you can reach and to people and seek help, because none of the project can be done by alone. How you take help from others, how you help others, and how you collaborate, right? How you show your team player skills. So that is also a part of our evaluation.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yuvraj, we have gone through the table and spoken with everyone. And if you have also gone through your case study, and if you want to clarify anything, you can tell me, or else we are done already, almost. I'll be sending this recording later on. You can hear it and get back to me also later. Okay. So, all right, if Yuvraj, if you are you don't have anything to talk, then I think we are done. So, I think Akshay has typed something. Let me see what is that. How we will get to know that who has opted for which take stack so that we can communicate. So, take stack is individual to you right now. You don't have to know what others are taking. Whatever case study you have, you choose what is the best tech stack, and that you can easily get by putting it in chat gpt or in the net. Okay, so you choose what you want and work on that. But when you work on the product, that time it is your architect, your team lead, your manager decides what tech stack they need to use, and you have to work on that. Does it make sense, Akshay? How can I communicate with other based on my tech stack? No, you don't have to communicate to others right now. So right now it is an individual evaluation happening. So case studies assigned to each one of you. Okay, so you do your case study alone. So right now you are not going to seek help from others with in this group. Okay, so basically you try to do yourself, and then we will do the evaluation. Once you get selected, you become a part of the team. That time you will know as a team you will be working on a particular project. Okay, so yes, fine then. Are we good, guys? All right. So have a great weekends, and I hope this weekend you will spend to do this case study, which will be a good learning for you also. Okay, and then we will meet maybe. Uh, Let me see. Yeah, over the weekends also, if anybody has anything to ask or seek help from me, feel free to do that, and then we will talk again. Okay. All right. Take care, guys. Good night.